first day!
It's high fives and smiles on the first day of school. All across the Beaufort County School District, students are stepping off of buses and out of cars, ready to kick off a new school year. Here at Bluffton Elementary School, the new principal is welcoming students and their families as they arrive.
We're most excited about the kids walking through the doors. We had a great week with teachers getting back to school, getting really focused on our theme for this year, which is Stronger Together. We're really working on making sure all of us are going all in to meet the needs of all of our kiddos, and we just can't wait to get started with the work.
The students are all smiles as they pose for photos before going inside to see their friends and meet their new teachers.
I'm excited about making friends, and I'm excited about learning new things and just becoming a better student.
I'm excited to do math.
I'm excited to meet my new teacher and make a lot of new friends.
Over at H.E. McCracken Middle School, students are being dropped off, ready to start their day.
I'm just excited to meet new friends and have new teachers.
I'm excited to get good grades, do well on my SU Ready, do good in my classes.
I'm excited to meet new people and get new experiences.
I'm excited to learn new things and have the same teachers that my sisters did.
The principal is looking forward to having a great year.
At McCracken Middle School, we're so excited to have our students back, and I'm excited to watch them grow this year, explore new opportunities, new clubs, new sports. It's just going to be awesome.
This fun sign is greeting students at Broad River Elementary School.
Being that we are a Leader in Me school, I'm super excited to see the new leaders that evolve in our students this year. I am also excited with our dual language immersion class. It's always nice to see our children speaking a little bit more language and, most importantly, new relationships. I'm excited to see our new kids, see their faces, and just enjoy the relationship building. Our theme this year is unity, and I cannot make green without a team, so it requires all of us to work together to meet goals. So I'm excited about synergizing and partnering with the students and the staff of the school year.
The students are in their classrooms, getting the new school year started.
I'm excited to experience new stuff and make new friends.
I'm excited to learn about science and art and a lot of different things.
I'm just excited to learn math and ELA and science and stuff and meet new people.
Good morning, happy first day!
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.